Hi, this is Gakio. In this channel, I'm gonna show you the latest Japanese news. So today's topic is FamilyMart launches new food brand after controversy over Okasan Shokudo name. One of the biggest convenience store, FamilyMart, has launched new food private brand, FamilyMart, after an old version, Okasan Shokudo, meaning mother's dinner, due criticism for potentially causing bias that women should cook for their families. Three high school guards started a protest asking the retailer to rename the brand name. As a result, the student gathered more than 7,000 signatures online and sent them to their convenience store. Change the world.